Okay, Shannon, put us on the record.
Okay.
This is the matter of the Reyes children, Brooklyn and Aaron. Could each of you please identify yourselves for the record?
Matt Wade, Prosecutor's Office.
Danielle Lagore, Family Service and Children's Aid.
Rebecca McCluskey for Stephanie Reyes.
Mike Kelly, guardian ad litem.
Well, we were hoping to take Stephanie Reyes' release this morning. She came to the courthouse for that purpose, but she came early and the guard turned her away, and apparently she's in a huff. She won't respond to her attorney. Sorry, Mike, you clipped off, so I'm not sure what you said.
Oh, I've had that same experience, Your Honor. It's like a list or something that you need to be on. If you're not on it, they're really difficult about assisting you.
Yeah, if she'd come at the proper time, there wouldn't have been any problem. The problem is she showed up early before they had a message downstairs to let her in. According to the security guard, she showed up at about 10 to 10, and they didn't get word to let her in for the 10:30 hearing until just shortly after she left. So that's unfortunate.
Your Honor, preliminarily, I guess I feel like I should probably make this request of the court. Of course, it's in the court's discretion, but because it was her intent to release, she did come to the courthouse and she was turned away. I know she was early, but she does have to use bus transportation. So the fact that she was early wasn't really a mistake of hers. I guess I would ask if the court would be inclined to give her another week as opposed to moving forward today, just because the confusion really wasn't on her part. Obviously in the court's discretion, but and I'm not sure.
She, even if they had the word, they wouldn't have let her in until 10:30. They don't let people in the courthouse early. They let them in for their scheduled hearing. They let them come upstairs, and then they have to immediately leave after the hearing. They don't let people come in and roam around the building. She wouldn't have known that, but if you can get confirmation that she's still willing to do a release, my concern is she's not even responding to you.
I still haven't had a response to my call or email, so.
If she uses bus transportation, I guess it's possible she's out riding the bus, but she's got a cell phone, doesn't she?
She does, Your Honor. She has emailed me from that this morning. So I assume she got my most recent email.
Mr. Kelly, would you have any objection to me putting this over a week?
No, Your Honor. It would be nice to get this taken care of today, but it's understandable what.
Mr. Way?
Your Honor, it makes sense to me. I would be a little uncomfortable conducting a trial today under the circumstances. I guess the expectation would just be next week that if she doesn't show up or doesn't release, then we will be moving forward with the termination hearing.
So we just moved 2 trials to the morning. Let me pull up the calendar. I think I probably still have it open.
I think we could just put this one in the afternoon. And we can definitely do both of those in the afternoon, both this one and the other one.
Some of the new dates aren't going to be on there yet.
Okay. No, I was looking to see what else was scheduled in the morning. I know the trials haven't been moved, but we didn't have anything starting until 10 o'clock when I checked the last time.
Right. The reason, well, no.
I know we still have a 1 o'clock trial scheduled because we didn't move that matter.
Yeah, we did. Well, Olivia will be at 8:30. We have a 1:30 for Lafitte.
1:30, right. That's the one I was talking about. I knew there was one we didn't move. I didn't realize it was 1:30 instead of 1. But that's the one I was referring to. Let's set Reyes for 1 then. And hopefully it'll be a release, but if not, make sure she knows we will be moving forward with the trial. And make sure she knows that, I mean, if she can pre-sign the documents, that's great, but I'm a little concerned you're not going to know for a while whether or not you're going to be able to have her pre-sign documents. I think maybe the best thing is to just have her plan on coming to the courthouse. But tell her she can't come early. If she comes early, they will make her wait. We can't let her in until just a few minutes before 1 o'clock, and she will have to leave. She can't have any COVID symptoms or they will turn her away at the door. We'll make sure that the front desk knows to expect her that morning. But if she shows up early, they'll just send her back outside. And no point in getting here early. They're not going to let her come in and wander around the building. Okay, that's what we'll plan on.
Your Honor, was that the 29th?
Week from today, yep.
Okay.
29th at 1 o'clock.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you this afternoon.